Welcome to ShopoWorld. Today I'm going to show you how to close your ShopoWorld account. There may be a number of reasons that you no longer want your account with ShopoWorld, and that's fine. It's easy to close, but you need to make sure that it's definitely what you want to do, as the details cannot be retrieved once it's been deleted. If you go to your back office, and in your account you'll see all the different selections available. Under your account, you can go to Remove Account. Under this selection, there are three different options that you can use. If you're not sure whether you want this to be permanent, you can simply deactivate your account, which means that you're not going to be selling anything, nothing's going to be active at the moment, but you're able to reactivate it if you want to in the future. If that's what you want to do, you can click here. It will ask if you want to do it. If you're sure, you can click OK. Once you've deactivated, you'll be able to log in again and reactivate the account whenever you're ready. However, if you're sure that you no longer want your ShopoWorld account, and you really are sure that this is what you want to do, make sure that you've saved all your information, that you've taken all your images that you've used, and you can go to the third option, Delete Account. When you will delete your account, all products, store features will be permanently deleted from your account and cannot be recovered. Click here. Are you sure you want to delete your account? OK. And your account has been deleted.